Did you get there in time? Just. What does this mean? What does just mean? Did the person get there in time? Yes or no? Well, I'm going to ask you some questions about this sentence so you can really understand the meaning of just. First one, did the person get there in time? Yes or no? The answer is yes, they did. Absolutely, yes, they did. Next one, did the person get there a long or very short time before? So let's pretend the person had a meeting at 6 p.m. Did they get there at 5:30 or did they get there at 5:59? Correct. They got there a very short time before. Next question. When did this happen? Past, present, or future? Correct. It happened in the past. So now let's put all of this together and talk about what just means in this sentence. Almost not. Very close to not. So did you get there in time? Just. That means almost not. I almost did not get there in time, but I did get there in time. So with our example, like we talked about, maybe there was a meeting at 6 p.m. and 6 p.m. is here. And maybe the person got there at 5:59, 1 minute before. This is almost not in time. So this is the meaning of the word just when it's used to answer a question like this. So let's have a look at some more examples so you can see how this word can be used and how you can use it if someone asks you a question and the answer is almost not. Does the dress fit you? Just. So that means it almost does not fit, but it does fit. Does he have enough money? Just. So does he have enough money? Yes or no? Correct. He does have enough money, but almost not enough. And last one, did you get everything done? Just. So did they get everything done? Yes or no? Yes, they did. But they almost did not get everything done. So this is the meaning of just when it's used like this. It's not something you hear a lot, but if you do hear the word just used like this, you need to know what it means.